completely do based on your requirement. So from my side, what I would be requiring is this is the default course that I go through, but I will be adding or changing based on the need. So for this, pretty much I would require anywhere between 35 to 40 hours, which is quite minimum, because you cannot wind it earlier than that, because on an average, if you keep 8 hours, that it's the decent time wherein we can help someone to understand. So based on that, if you want, you can change something and we can go deep into other tools also. Then you just keep adding another 8 to 10 hours based on what tools that you want to add. So any questions now? So I think is it clear now?
So Adam, that's perfectly sounds good. But I mean, is there any way of showing some monitoring tools from the admin side by any chance? Like Nagios or...
Yeah, we can do it. As I said, monitoring. Yeah, we can add it.
Okay, cool.
As I said, I'm not confining, saying that I will not do. Pretty much I've worked on all this. Only thing is, you have so much of time to do, and I know that's the point. So how you want to do it, it's up to, I don't want to say that this is what. So how you want to take it, whatever you want to do, I can add it up and we can fix a time or a course for that as well.
However, Adam, this is Nagesh actually. Are you going to teach practically how to do these things? Actually, we have servers actually. We can lend you one server to use.
What kind of servers do you have?
Yeah, we have CentOS on the operating system. It is a good server. When you can, we have a VPN server connection. Our guys know how to connect and stuff. It's a CentOS. If you need to rent, Amazon AWS, we can also rent it.
So other than AWS, pretty much all the other things are straightforward and it's quite open source and you can download and.
So you can install on a CentOS, right? CentOS.
Yes. So how the classes will be is since you guys are not completely from the professional background in this domain, going into directly the tools will not be helpful for you. So the way that what I'll be doing is we'll be going with the fundamentals and giving you the details why it is needed, and from that we will jump on in scenario based. So there's a topic which you need to learn, which is not that the topic that we'll be giving. So we will be explaining you what is the problem statement, and in that how people use that tool using that topic, how we'll be solving. So that is how we'll be going in practically. So it will be close to 20% of theory, and it is not theory, it is actually the architecture and the base which you need to understand. Only then you will be understanding the tools and the terminologies inside it. And later, the remaining 20% will be completely on scenario-based classes. Okay. And talking about using your machine, I don't have any preference not to use. If connection is quite good, I can use. If not, as I said, it's everything on open source. Whatever that we try to show, it will not be on our machine. We have to create a virtual machine, and then only then on that we will be running and showing you how to install. So you can do it by yourself, wherein if you have your machine, we will be recording all the sessions, so you can go follow the same steps and try to introduce this thing on your machine itself. So either way, it would be fine.
Okay, got it.
Any other questions?
I'm good, Adam. Thanks.
Sure. So now you guys have to tell me, like, what is the course? How is that you want to do? How each one has to be deeply understood, or how you want to go is your call. It's not yours, but especially if you want to put it up to your client. or your consultancy to decide. So this is how I'll be doing. So you guys tell me what are the tools that you want to add. Based on that, I can tell how much time that we have to spend, and we will.
For Praveen and Vishnu, I think what we have, what Adam has listed, that should be good enough, right?
Yes, yeah, that will be good enough. Initially, like, yeah, as we go on and dive into the course, like, I mean, if we need, we can add some more tools. Like, there'll be no problem, right, Adam? Like, if time permits for you.
No, it's not like I cannot do. The only thing is I have to be scheduled with the time.
I think Praveen,
Long.
So you guys want to go with Puppet, right? Okay, fine. And for scripting, which one do you want to take? Because do you have any preference to choose Perl or Python?
Oh, basically, I mean, I heard like Perl can be used for extraction purpose, and I mean, it can be used more on the admin side, right, Adam? So, I mean, from my point, I can go on with Perl if you're okay, yeah.
Yes, as I said, if you are going to work more into the administration side, wherein working more on the other side of creating program and web application, then people would prefer Python. If not, as I said, all this task, whatever you're going to do, are called as operation tasks. This means you connect to server, whatever you do it manually, you try to automate it. Like if you're asking me to copy some 100 files, I cannot do it manually. So whatever command or way I'm doing it, I just have to write some 10 lines of script which will do it. So in that case, we will be going with Perl, because Perl acts both ways. So you can use it as a simple scripting, and if you want to use the same thing as an advanced object-oriented program, you can go ahead and use it. Even you can do web page creation completely using CGI, but that's completely advanced. So that is the power. But this is not much of a tedious task to learn. But for Python, it's not tough. But if you have a good understanding of programming, only then you will feel easy. If not, this will look like Greek and Latin. So we can do it Perl. It's fine.
Actually, Praveen, doesn't matter, right, Praveen? Perl or
yeah, it doesn't matter. Like whatever, yeah.
For you, it won't be. It's not a big deal to learn Python.
Yeah, like no problem, Anna. Like either we can go on with Perl or Python. Yeah.
Right. Because for everyone, it'll be easy to use Perl.
Yeah.
Learning Perl is much easier as compared to
okay, Anna, yeah.
Python. That we need to consider.
Yeah.
I think Adam made a good point, Adam. I think let's go with the Perl.
Yep.
Yeah, because all these things, why I pick this is like it's not like we not do now. Given the period of 8 to 10 hours, and based on the background, we would always have to say, because I don't have any concern in covering Perl or Python in 2 hours, or it's the same thing I can do in 30 hours now. Based on the time, we'll be going into the subject deeply. But now you should be in a position to get things done and practice in that given time. And without much background in the programming, it's always go through some simple things like Perl. That will be easy for you. But as I said, I'm not confining to keep only 40 hours, because we can increase it based on the need. Because sometimes we can cover Jenkins in 6 hours, and you got everything faster. Then I can put those 2 hours to this, or I can additionally stretch it a little more based on how you guys understand.
Adam, what are your timings actually? I just want to understand weekday timings.
Okay, I do have other batches. So currently I have one batch running in the evening. So I can have a batch in the morning. So
morning is better for us. Most of the candidates can generally in the morning times. Is it possible for you, your time 8:30? Is it too late for you?
No, I'm saying morning my time. That will be evening your time.
No, I understand. Morning time you are 8:30. Is it okay? 8:30 a.m. IST?
Oh no, I have other work
it's
to
too
do.
Late? Okay, it's too late. Okay. When is the best time?
Around anytime early also is fine, or around 7 o'clock is also fine. because you guys are from time zone, is it?
The problem is, Praveen is in PST time zone. Vishnu is in EST. The other guys also, one person is in mountain, I think, time zone. That's where the problem is. Praveen, is it okay for you? Like, if it takes at 7 o'clock IST, your time will be
like 5:30 morning for me. Yeah, no problem. I can attend that. Yeah, no problem.
No. You're talking about East time. So our time will be night time, evening time, Praveen. Your time will be 5:30 p.m.
Like like max I'll be by 6 o'clock. So if it permits by 7:30, we can start that. Is it okay, Adam? Like 7:30 a.m. something?
Okay. It shouldn't be a problem, but the only thing is, to be frank enough, I don't want to get it delayed, because the reason why I say is
Yeah. So sorry, Adam. We could not hear you. Okay. Yeah. You could go ahead, Adam.
Yep.
That's fine.
no. So as I was saying, to be upfront, there might be some little delay, and as I said, I do have to manage other work life. So finishing up, if I start from 7 o'clock, I'll be finishing it by 8:30 my time, and then I'll be going to my office. So if I start from 7:30, I'll be completing it by 9 o'clock, and then I have to rush. I can still manage, but delaying it toward there would not be a good point, and I don't want to force anyone to say that definitely we should start sharp by 7:30. That's my answer.
Fine, Adam. Then I can manage my time. Like you can go ahead. It's 7 o'clock your time. Yeah.
I'm still
Yeah,
open.
Okay.
Sorry, let me complete.
I think Adam, that should be fine. 7 a.m. should be fine.
So you see, 7 o'clock. In case if you feel you need little time, then I can change it to 7:30. But to be clear enough, I just wanted to be committed from both the sides, because when I say I want to commit, I'll sharply be at 7:30, because my concern is not from starting late, but I have to go to the work, and basically I'm from Bangalore, so I don't know if you are.
Yeah, Adam. I understand. Yeah, like 7 o'clock. Like sounds good, Adam. Yeah, I can manage my time. No problem.
So you see, in case if it is not possible, I can make it at 7:30. But if you're doing it 7:30, then the only request from my side is we have to start it with just 5 minutes or delay. I cannot wait for a longer time.
Yeah, sure, Adam. I got you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Sure.
can start with 7. Yeah, thanks.
Okay, so we can start it, and pretty much I'm available from this Monday, because there's one batch I'll be completing it by this weekend, and I can start.
Actually, Adam, can we start over the weekend at least one of the days? I know. We are telling you last minute. One of the weekend days. We're going to confirm with Naren. So probably Naren is going to cross check with you.
Sure. Actually, as I said, I have one more batch in the morning, so I just have to complete that. So if you can confirm me, I can give you some different time only for this weekend, and then from Monday.
Weekend, our team can be flexible, right?
Yeah.
Praveen?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll figure out Praveen offline. We'll figure out. We'll ask Nishan to coordinate.
Yeah, sure.
Touch base with me, and as I was saying, other thing. Okay, so I just want to be clear, like what other things you want to add. So as I said, to cover this as the default, I would need a minimum of 40 hours. When I say minimum, it's only the time that I'd be putting in from practical explanation. I'm not considering any time that you guys are going to practice. So we can increase it, but if you want to add more tools, then the time has to be adjusted based on that, because that will be the only quality way that we can do it. Because I do take some lab classes, they'll say within this 40 hours, they also want to add Linux administration. I can do it. But how you do it is because I have to squeeze in the time for all the others and then take, because...
Adam, by the way, all of our candidates are familiar with the Linux admin, virtualization, AWS, some AWS stuff also.
Okay, cool. I didn't mean to say that.
No, I think I'm giving it so that will be Adam. That will be easier for you to understand where they're coming from. one of the candidate may not have it, but we'll ask him to go through those the other stuff, But the most of our candidates will have exposure to admin, Linux admin, virtualization stuff.
And then that's great because generally, based on the requirement, we might have to go through the basics and add it up. But if you guys are already, familiar and you can take up the other things in their spare time, then we can focus only onto this subject rather than focusing on fundamentals and giving up. We can, we will go know the understanding when I go through the topic. So we'll be having discussion. So based on that, I'll move it ahead and fine. So how is that you want to take about other tools? So as I said, this 40 hours. So if you want to take anything else, then definitely we might need some decent time to add additionally to it.
So Adam, you're including Jenkins also, right? Jenkins, Git, Perl, AWS, and Puppet.
Whatever
right?
that above this until here, this would take 40 hours. Whatever that I mentioned, five modules or 5 topics completely. So this would take 40 hours minimum.
What about containers monitoring DB?
Yeah, I mean, each one of them will take another 8 hours or so. So if you want to add, then that's what, add another 8 hours for that.
You know what, Praveen? Let's not finalize in this one. We'll let you know in the first class. Is that okay? We'll discuss offline and we'll send you the email with the details.
Sure. As I said, I'm not saying that this is what I'll do. What I'm trying to give you very clearly is to do this, it will take minimum this much of time.
No, I understand. Adam, it's pretty clear. You made it very clear. But just we need to think about it, right? Because, the problem is, Adam, the reality is, see, we are helping them with the marketing. So we need to place them as soon as possible. So that's also we need to look at it.
Yeah,
that's the exact point. That's why I try to explain people. So you got the point right. So that is what I'm being on hours rather than saying that you want everything I can do. That's what the example I was saying. So you guys.
I tell you what we can do is, Adam. See, I want to see 40 hours means like how many hours you'll be covering every week, each week.
So you keep on a day 90 minutes sharply, and as I said, it's
okay.
on a practice session, so it will be only from the training what we'll be giving, and you'll be going through it.
So Monday through Friday you're talking about, right? Monday through Friday.
Yeah, and classes we will be having almost 6 days a week, and 1 day at least week off. So if you take on that basis 1.5 into 6, pretty much 8 to 9 hours in a week.
Okay, probably we need to add a little more actually. If you can make it 10 hours, that'll be better.
I'm fine. You guys can take it.
Yeah, I think they should be fine. Praveen, I think you guys should be fine.
Yeah, we are fine.
Yeah.
We'll do it because I don't just think in that way because eventually when I start, I'm starting with the normal phase understanding with what is the capability of how people are grasping. Based on that, I will increase the speed or put it in a normal pace. So that we can definitely do. How people catch up, whether they're practicing and all those things we'll know. Then based on that, we will be increasing. So it's not, again, I'm saying 8 hours means you will be doing it for 8 hours. So some things, if you take Puppet, we actually need more time when compared to others. So if people can grasp these things a little earlier, then we can use that time to put in so that we can make it 9 hours or 10 hours. It's completely fine.
Right, yeah.
On the cloud computing, AWS, probably we don't need much, right? Praveen, think about it.
Yeah, I was about to say that one. Like Adam already specified, like he want to give an intro of that, but later on when we start on the sessions, as per our understanding, like he can manage like how to get with that one. Yeah.
Yeah. So
right.
In AWS, to be clear, there are so many modules because they are adding everything into it. So in that, if you say the major focus is on creating some servers, and instead of having VMs or servers, you'll be reducing. So in that case, everyone would be majorly working on some module for computing called EC2. So this is what will be the primary. And on top of that, based on your task. Like you want to work on database, you have one database stuff. You want to work on some specific other tool, and then you have specifically some module for that. But the base for that would be EC2. So that is what I said. Given the time, we can go through this completely, and we'll see all those scaling based on your need. Can you increase or decrease? All those things we'll see only from EC2.
Sure.